Chicky Adventures. It's a rainy day. This is where Black goes on a rainy day. Up here. And they all sat down. Grandma was so occupied on her book, she didn't hear me. Now let's see what the chickens are doing on a rainy day. These ones are over here, eating styrofoam, which is bad. Bad birds. Bad, bad birds. Bad, bad. Look out, there's a stick. Look out, it's going to get you. So, most of the chickens here are under the tractor. And Dave's tail is looking a little soggy there. This tractor is old, you can tell. It's old by moss growing on this hydraulic thing. Dave looks at me from above with his soggy tail. There's that one. Kind of tilt down a little bit, which is strange. Well, he's still got that feet trouble bad. It's drizzling a little bit here. It's off and on rain today. Fluff up and do that. Sometimes when it's light rain like this is what the chickens do. Some of them just walk around. That turkey just stands out in the rain. Sometimes. Not all the time. Not every time it rains. I smell something strange. Turkey's eating grasshopper. Good turkey. This turkey is the one that clucks. It doesn't cluck like it used to.